Welcome to our SharePoint admin advice, and today we're going to be looking at customizing the suite bar and applying your company colors to your Office 365. Go ahead and open the admin portal. Select to show all options, select settings, and select organization profile. Click edit on custom themes, and here you can change the accent color and navbar background. You can select from a range of colors available on this option. You can also input hex color or RGB color. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save. Please bear in mind this takes a while for the changes to be applied to your tenancy. Hopefully you've enjoyed our video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next series. For more information, go on HappyWired.com to find out more. Thank you and goodbye.